Starting at noon on June 18, 2023, heavy rains occurred in many places in Gizmo Province, China. The Orological Bureau issued a rainstorm level 3 warning report, and many places issued a rainstorm red warning. The garages of some residents were flooded and many cars were soaked in water. Some roads in the urban area have been flooded to shoulder height and are impassable. Pedestrian stairs and elevators of the subway are constantly flooded with water, which has become a river shot. And underground parking lots are evacuated to ensure safety, according to the forecast of the Gizmo Provincial Meteorological.